Is reputation management part of your orthodontic practice's marketing strategy? Marketing for orthodontists has changed drastically in recent years. The days of advertising in phone books, coupon mailers, or with flyers are soon gone. People want to find an orthodontist they can trust, so they turn to online review sites and social media before making a decision on who to trust. Your practice depends on the reviews you have, and if you have any at all. Google Plus Local has become the most important place for reviewing orthodontists. And review sites such as Insider Pages and Yelp have become a common place for reviews as well. Since Google Plus Local and other review sites show up in Google searches, Google has become the main source of leads for many businesses, especially orthodontists. If you're not focusing your marketing around local search, you're missing out on many patients. From mobile websites to Google searches and reviews, online reputation management is key to getting more patients for your practice. You can interact directly with your future and current patients on social media sites like Facebook and Twitter, and you can improve your image by staying in touch with your patient base directly. YouTube is also a great way to improve your social reach online. Many businesses neglect their reputation and website rankings online, and they don't know where to start. The truth is that most of the leads go to the top 5 Google Plus local listings with the highest reviews. Our company works with orthodontic practices throughout the country to help them get targeted leads through reputation management and marketing. From designing high-converting websites to optimizing them for search engines and then ranking those websites higher, as well as managing your reputation everywhere your clients can find you. We can help your business get a dramatic increase in patients. Let us help you improve your online presence and get you more patients. Contact us today to learn more about how we can help you. Thank you for watching.